and eye coordination. Operate your BMW Advanced Car Eye 3 Pro cameras with your smartphone. First, install the Advanced Car Eye 3.0 app from the App Store or use the download link on our Advanced Car Eye 3.0 website. Activate Bluetooth on your smartphone. Open the app and register it to your BMW Advanced Car Eye 3 Pro. Press and hold the Bluetooth button on your camera until you hear the signal. The 4 tabs let you navigate quickly to the desired functions. Have it your way. Individualize the camera settings via the Advanced Car Eye 3 Pro app, like audio recording, night vision, or the brightness of both cameras. Via Recording Settings, you can also choose how sensitive the cameras react to impacts, car movements, or moving objects. This is also adjustable for driving and parking mode. You can even set up a time window to avoid false incident detections while entering or leaving your car. Simply adjust the system to your needs. Let's check your footage in the Recordings tab. To review, the app asks you to establish a Wi-Fi connection. Follow the steps to synchronize recorded events on the camera with the app viewer. You can filter for photos, videos, and manual recordings. Mark your favorites for quick access. You can find and view all marked recordings under Favorites. Your favorite recordings can't be overwritten. Download the recordings in your app and save them directly on your smartphone to use the sharing functionality. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.